We have a big box here. Let's see what it is. It looks like it has a battery, so electronics for sure. So this is a high pressure air pump. It's good for a lot of different uses, including paddleboards, kite surfing, equipped with new and powerful active cooling system for superior inflation. Works continuously while you're inflating. It says you can now inflate up to 3 SUPs in a row without worrying about the pump overheating. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go to the marina out here where they have this equipment, and we're gonna see how this works. So I came here to the marina next to my house. This is Mathison Hammock Marina, and this is a very busy day for people who do kite surfing. And this high pressure pump can work for paddle boards, but also for this, because these kites need to be inflated. So let's do the unboxing here. Oh well, let me first show you what my friend here has. This is what she's using now. So this is manual, doesn't need energy except for human energy, but we'll ask her how long it takes and all that kind of thing. So how long it takes you regularly to inflate?
Like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Are you tired?
Oh, no,
what?
I don't know, 5 minutes.
Should we cut this off of here?
Yeah, that's too much work. I'm too lazy.
No, it's good for
to warm up.
a workout.
That's it.
So this is the way you will do it manually, which is a little work, and then you have to depend on this reading, which is mechanic, not electronic. Let's go and see what we have here. User manual. It has all the accessories, the detail of them. It has many different ones. So this can be used for obviously inflate anything, a kiteboard, a paddleboard, a bicycle, even a car if needed, because it's a pump after all. So let's see. Here's the actual pump. Let's see if it's charged. Yes, it is. You can hardly see it maybe here in the dark. Let me take this plastic cover. It also has an emergency light, and here you can select what you're gonna charge. Here's the USB-C port, the 12 volt. So inflate and deflate. Let's get the hoses. So I took everything out. Here's the unit. You can turn it on. You can select what you want. The pressure is the switch for the light. It has two lights, that little one here and here in the back. There's the USB-C wire. We connect it to the wall. This is the 12 volt for the cigarette lighter style. You can charge it in the car or use it with it in the car. Here are some of the hoses. Let me see. Inflate, and here are all the different accessories you might need for that. Here are some fuses. I guess it can fail, so you can replace it. Comes with these Velcro straps to keep it when you're not using it. So it works. Now let's wait for our friend to come back and see how was she doing it first and how she will use this one for now. Kite is labeled for 7 to 8 psi, and it has these attachments. So let's look for that. Let me look, which one is this? So we run into a little problem because none of these adapter fit this particular kite, but a friend of ours here got another one, so this one goes in here. There you go. Now we're gonna put the pump. It's the moment of truth. This is like more or less, it's more than this?
Oh yeah, yeah, it has to be super.
Oh really? Oh okay, so this is not...
No, no, it has to be.
Oh okay. So here it is. We did a demonstration. We can use this for a paddleboard for the car, but you get the idea. And he's packing it because apparently there's not enough wind, and you can see another one actually walking back because this is not enough wind today in Miami. It's a lot of work, huh?
Yeah, but
It's part of it.
any sport is a lot of work.
I know.
Which is nice.
Like I ski, and like to get out on skiing,
It's the same thing.
you have to
Well, thank you so much.